Hey guys, can you search a detached garage while serving an arrest warrant at an apartment? All right. So, questions from Oklahoma. The officer says, I obtained a search warrant for an apartment unit, including curtilage. This tenant also had a detached garage unit in his name and in the complex. The information was printed out and given to me via the property manager. Do you feel the search warrant covers the garage unit under the curtilage statement? Thanks in advance. The answer is no, not in my view. So, search warrants have legal requirements. They have to be based on probable cause, and they have to be sworn under oath, and they have to be particular in the place searched and the things you're looking to be seized. Now, as particular as what? As possible, right? As reasonable. Okay, going back to this apartment, the answer ultimately depends on how that search warrant was written. But based off of the intent here, the flow I'm getting from this is that search warrant likely did not have any language on there about detached garages or other things under their control, at this apartment complex. It sounds to me like it talked about, hey, we are going to search apartment 1, 2, 3, 4, and anything within the curtilage. Well, the problem is that garage is not within the person's curtilage. It's detached. So curtilage, and apartments have very little curtilage, but let's say that the patio's curtilage and maybe some space right next to where there's a barbecue pit and so forth. But then you have, maybe 100 feet away is this detached garage. Well, there is no curtilage between there. So, and the garage itself is not on curtilage. That's open fields. The garage itself, inside of it, is protected under the Fourth Amendment, but it's not within curtilage. So the answer is no. It's not particular enough, and I wouldn't do it. Now, change the facts, change the answer. If I saw the search warrant and it does have some language in there about in all property under the person's control, etc., then I think we get there. But that language probably should have been in there. All right. So what I would do in this case, if the language is simply, your typical apartment language, I would do a piggyback warrant, right? Get an additional warrant to search the garage. Hope it helps, and keep the questions coming. Like, subscribe, comment below. Until next time, my friends, stay safe. Thank you.